Crypts of Liberon are present in small intestine. Glisson's capsule is the covering of the hepatic tubule in liver. Islets of Langerhans are endocrine part of pancreas. Burners glands are submucosal gland of duodenum of small intestine. Goblet cells are mucocytes secretes mucus which protects the lining of gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. Parietal or oxyntic cell is a source of hydrochloride and intrinsic factor. HCl converts iron present in diet from ferric to ferrous form so that it can be absorbed easily and used during erythropoiesis. Intrinsic factor is essential for the absorption of vitamin B12 and its deficiency causes pernicious anemia. In humans, dentition is tecodont, dipodont, heterodont, heterodont. In tecodont, teeth are present in the socket of the jaw bone called alveoli. Dipodont, teeth erupts twice temporarily. Milk or decidued teeth are replaced by a set of permanent or adult teeth. Heterodont dentition. Dentition consists of different types of teeth, namely incisors, canine and premolars and molars. Kuffler cells are phagocytic cells of liver. Zymogen cells are enzyme producing cells. Paneth cell secretes lysozyme which acts as an antibacterial agent. Argentaphane cells are hormone producing cells. Renin and pepsin enzymes are present in the gastric juice. Maltase is present in the intestinal juice. Total number of teeth in human child is equal to 20. Premolars are absent in primary dentition. Sphincter of Oddi guards the opening of hepatopancreatic ducts into the duodenum. Gastric acid HCl is secreted by parietal cells of the stomach. Cholecystokinin pancreogymin CCK-PZ is a hormone secreted from small intestine. It stimulates the gallbladder to release bile and pancreas to secrete and release digestive enzymes in the pancreatic juice. Hormone secretin is secreted from duodenum and release bicarbonates in the pancreatic juice. It also increases secretin of bile and decreases gastric secretion and motility. Glycerol and fatty acids are absorbed in jejunum by diffusion into intestinal cells where they are converted into mm, chylomicrons. Cholesterol is also absorbed by simple diffusion in small intestine. Maltose is broken into glucose and galactose, which are absorbed by active transport into small intestine. Fructose is absorbed by facilitated diffusion. Amino acids are also absorbed in small intestine, some by active transport and some by facilitated diffusion. Gastric juice of infants contains pepsinogen, lipase, renin. Its pH varies from 7.5 and 8.5. Renin is a proteolytic enzyme synthesized by stomach. Its role is to curdle or coagulate milk. Therefore, it is present in infants because they feed on milk, but it's absent in adults. Succus entericus or intestinal digestive juice contains a variety of enzymes like disaccharidase, example maltase, dipeptidase, lipase, nucleosidase. Nucleosides are enzymes present in pancreatic juice that break nucleic acids into nucleotides. Renin or chymosin is an enzyme that occurs in gastric juice. The initial step in the digestion of milk in humans is carried out by renin. Fructose is absorbed into the blood through mucosa cells of intestine by the process called facilitated transport. Thus, facilitated transport is the process of spontaneous passive transport of the molecule or ions across a biological membrane via specific transmembrane integral protein. Indigestion is the condition in which the food is not properly digested, leading to feeling of fullness. The causes of indigestion are inadequate enzyme secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, and spicy food. The epiglottis is a flap that is made of elastic cartilage tissue covered with a mucous membrane attached to the entrance of the larynx. It prevents the entry of food into the larynx and directs it to the esophagus. Due to the improper movement of epiglottis, one may suddenly start coughing while swallowing some food. Vitamin A, retinol, is a fat soluble vitamin that cannot be synthesized by mammals and other vertebrates and must be provided in the diet. It is a constituent of visual pigment rhodopsin. Deficiency affects the eyes, causing night blindness.